Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Sacred Space crate for December. I'm really excited about this box because it's the last box in the Elemental series, so that ought to be awesome. And then she's already announced, because it's December 1st and you can get next month's box ordered already, that her next month's box is going to be about Imbolc and Bridget, which is cool. Ooh, I just flung something somewhere. Alright, just to give you guys a little view. Sacred Space crate. That's what it says on the inside. I'm just going to clamp this down. We've got a packet full of papers. Love that. We've got some, I always look at papers last. I've got candles lit back here, so I'm trying to be safe. Also, this is a small desk, but I really like this space and that my husband and son can be doing their activities, whatever it is that they need to do, and I can be working on what I need to do, which is amazing. So I smell like a very fresh smell from this box already. Ooh, what do we got? Beautiful. I love this. It reminds me of this little kind of froggy that I have that, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. So I'm going to detach this. So the froggy that I have, you go, but it sounds like more of a rivet. Very cool. I like that. I don't have anything like that. Very unique. That is something I love about Melissa's box, is that she's quite unique. All right. Very, very small. Like, ooh, I don't want to burn. Okay. Let's see how that goes. Hopefully we won't start a fire in here. My husband will murder me. We've got pretty stone here. I don't readily identify it. We've got some water, bathing ritual, detoxify and cleanse. Let's give her a little smell. It smells really yummy and fresh. I don't know what's in it, but I can definitely smell at least lavender. We've got a catnip here. I believe I have some, but I don't have very much, not that I can think of. Ooh, we got something happening here. What is it? What is it? Ooh, it's a fossil. Pretty. I can't remember what kind of fossil this is, but I have seen them before. Nice. We've got Yule Blessing caffeine tea. Beautiful. We've got Rain Magic incense. I think this is what, and it does smell kind of like fresh. Not quite the smell of the soil after rain, which is one of my favorite smells in the world, but it smells kind of like vegetation or flowers after a rain, which is a different kind of smell, but still very fresh and like a clean kind of smell. All right, let's see what we got here. This is probably the oil, so there's a set. It's been pretty consistent across the set, which is kind of nice. Temple rub for sinus and migraine pressure. Sweet. Because Lord knows I'm having that after all this damn studying. Fractionated coconut, eucalyptus, peppermint, camphor, beeswax, and pinup. What I love about Melissa is that she always has such practical, like, magical items. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I love it. Okay. I don't know why I moved this back. Because I know I gotta get to the bottom of this box. And all these dilly bobs are in the way. So I'm gonna say that this is the candle, which I've been waiting for, the last of the 4. And this is probably the, Lord have mercy, the plaque, the last of the 4. So the plaques I'm going to put in the, like on the wall in the 4 corners of my room to mark the corners. I'm going to put this aside for right now. I don't know where my turtle is, damn hellion, but let's look at these last couple items. Water, with a prayer for water. This also has like that clean rain smell. And I'm gonna, for the moment, put this aside because again I have a small little space here, but I'm gonna move everything back into the frame because I kind of had it squished up here because of the lack of space. Not lack of space, just like, so there's a lot of stuff in this box. This box comes with a lot of items. I've been trying really hard to avoid my friends on YouTube who have unboxed this just because I don't like to see what's in a box before I get it myself. Oh, pretty mermaid. So I think it's a raven was air, a dragon was fire, a tree was earth, and a mermaid was water. So let's look at the inserts, which are in this pretty little paper, which I love. I love brown paper. Alright, element of water. It's like a little correspondence page. And then we have our December moon calendar. Very cool. All little descriptors on the back. I like that a lot. Very nice. Okay. Element of water. As the element of water represents and offers healing, love, cleansing, and psychic abilities, I couldn't think of a better element to end this year with. We know that in the beginning, from various cosmology stories, water was one of, if not the very first element from which all life springs. Therefore, water is the giver of life, a requirement for life. Life cannot come into being without the presence of the water element. We in our earth are more water than anything else. Our earliest experience, even beyond conscious memories for many, is being held by and floating in water as we floated in our mother's wombs. Water is the first element we came to know, as it gently cradled us and held us. Water is one of the 4 elemental energies or primary elements from which all of life is created, along with fire, air, and earth. Getting to know water as your teacher is a great way to begin to work with water as an elemental energy. Basically, water becomes a healing agent anytime our sincere intent is set to use the essence of water as such. I curated this box this month with the intention of giving you tools that will help you to connect with the element of water. So the element of water plaque, it's the last of the 4. So she designed it, and so it's meant to add elemental energies of tranquility, healing, and love into your sacred space. It's adorned with an undine, guardian of the sea. Element of water, 7-day prayer candle. Now I have all 4. Orthoceras, fossil. It's a genus of extinct cephalopod. Its name is derived from the word straight horn, referring to its long conical shell. This creature roamed the seas during the Ordovician period, when the earth was mainly water. They are the ancestors of ammonites and squid. Orthoceras will activate our root chakra by grounding us down to the earth with ancient energy. This also pushes us on a path of transformation from who we were to who we are to who we want to be. Very cool. Water ritual oil. Oh, I forgot to smell this. Let me see. I'll show you guys. It smells a lot like the candle. This ritual oil was spellcrafted when calling the water elemental energies from the west. It's scented with my personal 7 C's blend, lotus petals for tranquility, healing, and smooth transition, blue chalcedony chip for tranquility, mental flexibility, verbal ability, and balance, aquamarine chip for compassion, communication, inner peace, wisdom, and courage. Use this oil to anoint yourself, your magical objects, and use in spells and rituals to represent the water element. Catnip herb in a glass bottle. Catnip is often used in magic associated with love, but is generally less used for romantic love and more used for the love of friends, family, and animals. In order to cement a friendship with somebody, hold catnip in your hand until you have warmed it through, and then hold the hand of the person you want to be friends with. Keep the catnip in a safe place, and as long as the catnip is safe and sound, that person will stay your friend. Hanging catnip in your home or growing it in your garden will call helpful spirits to you and will help to bring you luck. Water bathing ritual. One of the easiest forms of water magic is a ritual bath. It's my favorite form of magic on the side. Also a staple in many of our practices, the bathing ritual is for cleansing and detoxifying what no longer serves you. Made with premium sea salt infused with lavender and rosemary, dried lotus petals, and lavender flowers were added for their many benefits, including healing and tranquility. Yes. And then she goes on a little bit about a spiritual bath and how to use it. Rough emerald stone. I'm not seeing any green in here, but maybe I just can't see it. The stone of successful love. It brings loyalty and provides for domestic bliss. It enhances unconditional love, unity, and promotes friendship, keeps partnerships in balance, and can signal unfaithfulness if it changes color. Emerald stimulates the heart chakra, having a healing effect on the emotions as well as the physical heart. It ensures physical, emotional, and mental equilibrium, bringing harmony to all areas of one's life. Rain Magic Incense Sticks. That's these. With a scent reminiscent of the relief provided by a rainy day, Rain Magic Incense fills any room with a pleasant, spirit-lifting fragrance. In ritual, this makes it perfect for those spells intended to help with depression and fatigue, and great for giving energy in times of spiritual drought. Element of Water Book of Shadows page. Moon in the Zodiac Calendar, which we already talked about. Bamboo Rain Guiro. These instruments were handmade in Bali. Many Latin American and African musicians use them in band music, but what many people don't know is that this instrument, like these, were used by Native Americans to celebration rituals for the gift of rain. If you hold it in the middle and tilt it side to side, it makes the sound of rain, of a rain dance. Also, if you hold the accompanying stick very loosely and run it over the ridges, you can create the sound of rain. It takes a little practice to get the sound correct, but once you get it down, you can use the sound in meditations or just for calming energies. Temple Rub for sinus and migraine relief. I improved my Temple Rub salve so that it would also work as sinus pressure points as well as your temples to relieve pain. Very cool. Yule Blessings Tea. This tea is heavenly on a cold night with flavors that remind us of Yule. Certified organic. It has eleuthero root, cassia cinnamon bark, dandelion root roasted, astragalus root, orange peel, ginger root, chicory root roasted, licorice root, organic cardamom, and organic cloves. So that was very cool. Off with a bang. Very nice ending to this series. I can't wait to see where she's going to take us next. I do love this box. This box is full of really, really good stuff. I'm never unhappy with the items here. Melissa's a very talented witch. So definitely check out the description below and give her a gander if you haven't already. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's tons of content coming up on the channel. And when this posts, there will still be a giveaway. But if you're watching it like in the future, it's probably not one going on right now. So just kind of see what's going on. If there's a giveaway, it's probably going to be the first video that you see when you come onto my personal channel. I love you guys. Have a wonderful night. Bye.